Ever wake up frustrated seeing your battery drop 20% overnight, even though you barely touched your phone? Most people have hidden system settings quietly draining power, and they don't even know it. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that reduce distractions and wasted activity, all leading to one final system setting that controls standby drain, so your phone keeps more charge overnight and lasts longer the next day. Let's jump in. Notifications can help, but when apps keep buzzing, they distract you and silently eat battery. Open settings. Notifications. More. Sort by most frequent. You'll see which apps bother you the most. For example, the Play Store often sends alerts you don't need. Tap it, open notification categories, and turn off everything unnecessary. Your phone is already quieter. Here's the suspenseful part. After the final setting, you could gain 15 to 20% more battery overnight. Next, a privacy check most people don't even realize exists. If you mirror your phone to a TV, notifications can pop up on the big screen, messages, alerts, everything. To stop this, open settings. Search hide. Hide full screen. Turn it off. Now your alerts stay private. No one sees them by accident. Now Wi-Fi alerts. Random Wi-Fi notifications aren't just annoying. Your phone keeps scanning in the background. Most people leave this on without knowing it quietly drains power. Go to settings. Connections. Wi-Fi. 3 dots. Advanced settings. Turn off, detect suspicious networks. Fewer scans. Less battery wasted. More power saved. Edge panels next. Side menus can seem harmless, but if unused, they still run in the background, causing vibrations and wasting power. Most users never turn this off. Open settings. Display. Edge panels. Turn off. No accidental swipes. No hidden battery drain. And now, the final system setting. Everything before reduced noise. This one controls standby battery and background syncing, what your phone does when idle or overnight. Before this change, phones often lose 15 to 20% battery overnight. After changing it, you could wake up, check your battery, and it's nearly full, like magic overnight. More charge, more hours, no silent drain. This is the setting most people never touch, the main reason your battery feels unreliable. If you followed along, you've solved the problem from the hook. Hidden system settings silently draining your phone overnight. If your battery already feels more stable, or you're waking up with more charge than before, tap like and subscribe. More simple, powerful fixes are coming.